Hello, kids. Today, we're going to dive into the colorful world of apples and fruits. Did you know that apples come in many different colors and flavors? That's right. Apples can be red, green, or even yellow, and each type has its own unique taste. For example, red apples, like the popular Red Delicious, are sweet and crunchy, while green apples, like Granny Smith, have a tart and tangy flavor. Let's explore why apples are not just delicious but also packed with goodness. Fruits, including apples, are not only tasty, they're also super healthy. They're full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies need to stay strong and happy. Eating apples can help keep your heart healthy and boost your immune system, which helps you fight off colds and other illnesses. Plus, apples are a great snack option because they are low in calories and high in water content. So, if you want a healthy treat, grab an apple instead of a candy bar. Apples and many other fruits have fascinating stories about where they come from. Did you know that apples originated in Central Asia? Over time, they traveled around the world as people loved them so much. Today, there are thousands of apple varieties grown in orchards all over the globe. And guess what? There are also fruits like oranges, bananas, and grapes that have incredible origins. Each fruit has its unique history, so there's a whole world of knowledge you can discover just by eating them. Another exciting thing about fruits is how versatile they are in cooking and snacks. You can eat an apple on its own, or you can slice it up and add it to cereal or yogurt. You can even bake a delicious apple pie or make a refreshing fruit salad with a variety of fruits. Mixing fruits together not only creates yummy flavors but also makes your plate colorful and appealing. So, why not get creative in the kitchen and try out some fun recipes with apples and other fruits? Finally, let's not forget about the importance of fruits in our diet. Eating a variety of fruits every day helps keep us healthy, strong, and full of energy. So, the next time you go to the store, make sure to pick up some apples along with other fruits. Remember, eating fruits like apples can be a delightful experience that's both tasty and good for you. Now, go out and explore the wonderful world of fruits, starting with the humble apple.